So we're back to the city market. It's across the street, of course. We walked down that way. And now we're going to go to where we think the ferry boat is. Which is hard to find because they've got a lot of construction going on here. But we're thinking it's right around these scooters here. Down that way. And it looks like they have an elevator down. Or stairs. See people crossing down there. Marketplace is right up there. We came down these stairs. There's the elevator. Here's some historic precinct. I guess we're in. This is bike lanes, so be careful. And pedestrian. But the pedestrian area is like covered up with construction. Apparently you have to buy a ticket already. We heard there were free ones. We heard that was free maybe. So we're gonna stand out here and find out. Down here to the dock I see CityHopper and City Cat. Still don't know for sure if it's free. I see City Cat here too. It's 10:16 in the morning here. I do know that. So yesterday we walked across that bridge. We went in that museum. There's the Brisbane, the big letters sign right there. That's the Brisbane Eye. And then we came, no, we did not come back across that bridge. We walked down through there. That's where the little beach was. And we crossed that bridge way down there. But here's a ferry coming. So we'll see what happens. There's a holdup.
Thank you. Just across from Portland. Yeah, we met a lot of people.
He's tricking her.
Sorry?
There's no sign. Sign's off.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay.
Somebody left their wallet there.
No, that's mine.
All right. All right. Let's sit right here. The word key for clay. Yeah, I know it's key. And he is making a U-turn just like Janet said he would. So we're headed down the street. We're downriver. Pedestrian bridge, construction it looks like. That's the buildings and buildings. They have the bridge and the hole in them and all that stuff. Oh, I guess we're pulling across the river to another wharf. Key thing we just left. There's one of the fancy ones.
what they're tearing down?
Looks like it. So this is Riverside. Port, dock, whatever. I thought there was almost another place. So we just left Holden Street. Chicken whistles over there. Yesterday. Bridge. Where you can take a tour and go up those tall parts of the thing. They wanted $100 to do it. They're spelling through something. We drank some of the beer last night. I guess that's an elevator. So that's the Story Bridge. I don't see anybody up on there right now. Whoa! But apparently we just docked again. Sort of. We just rammed the dock. Dock's new and Smith Wharves. There's the flag of Australia. Wrapped up in the very looks like we're getting out of the town now. Out of the tall building part. So, no tall buildings on that side. Over here in the yacht harbor, plenty of them. Remember, it's a river though. I think we're going to get off at this wharf, which is Sydney. This is the end of the line, by the way. The ferry boat turns around and goes back to the same wharfs, keys, or however you want to say it. I'm going to say quay again. We're going to get off though, I think, and walk back. Ferry boat just did a 180. I think he's going to back into this next stop. I think he's doing a figure eight. Oh, maybe he had to get out of the way of this guy. That's the ferry you have to pay for. We're on the freebie. It was a nice river cruise. I gotta tell you here. Once we tie up, and open the doors. Oh, all those people are getting on though. River City Ferries. This is where they drive it. Oh, so one guy drives it and does everything. Thank you. Thank you. See how nice the docks are? I mean, it's like a living room, except for the trash. So this is Sydney Street, right? Do not anchor. And this is Sydney Street, which is the end of the line. That ferry boat is going to turn around and go back the other way now. You should know that you could go on down that way. We're going to go on up this way, I think. But let's look at a map. That's the Melanie, I think, right? And it's headed up that way, so it did make a U-turn here. Of course, the river goes on for miles still before it reaches the ocean.